pull it on there. You can hear already hear the air coming out. Welcome to RidgeLife. Today we're going to do a simple and easy method to plug a hole in a tire. You see our F250 here, we've got a screw in the tire in the back here. I've rotated it so I can easily get to from this angle. I'm left-handed, so it's easier on this side for me. All right, if you've got a good set of tires and you've got a warranty on them, you're not going to want to put a plug in it, because when you take it up there to patch it, they're going to say they can't patch it because you put a plug in it. But these tires here are old and don't have hardly any more tread life left on them, so I'm going to plug this for my wife. Don't need many tools to do this. We just need some soap water, and I've got Dawn mixed with about 25% water in here. I like to spray it on to see when if the bubble's coming out, and then after I plug it, I see if it's leaking still. A pair of pliers to pull the screw out, and then our plugging tools. I'll show you that. Of course, a compressor and an air gauge. You can see our screw in our tire right here, and I'm going to spray some air on. If I didn't know where my leak was, if something came out, I would spray this on there, and you can see those bubbles coming up. If you ever got a tire that's losing air, get you some of this 75% Dawn, 25% water, spray it on all around your tire, and when it blows bubbles out like that, you know that's where your leak is. We need to get that screw out of there, so I got me a pair of pliers here. Just pull it on there. You can already hear the air coming out. So that was pretty hard. I'll leave that right there so I can get my tools over here. The tools I'm going to use to plug this tire are some plug. This is a plug kit you can get at any Walmart or auto parts store. So it's a sticky tar plug. There's two of them right here. We're just going to need one. This is a reaming tool. And the reaming tool, once I pull the screw out, I'm going to use the reaming tool to clean the hole really, really well. And then I'm going to use this plug tool, put the plug in the hole right there, jam it in till maybe an inch or so sticks out, and then pull it out quickly. But before, I'm going to put some of this rubber cement on the plug so it can create a really good bond to the rubber in the tire. Alright, to get the plug through the hole, I just have to squeeze it in like that, pull it through until I get halfway through the plug tool. Okay. Once I've got it set up, I'm going to put the cement on the plug all the way around so it forms a good bonding agent. Now for the moment of truth, we're going to pull out our screw. It's going to make lots of noise. Ream out the hole. Twist and pull. Twist and pull. Twist and pull. Once I've done that, jam that in there. Gotta go a little bit further. That's why I get the tire facing the back of the vehicle, the front of the vehicle. If I was doing it from above, I wouldn't have room to get under this exhaust pipe here. But once I got it in, I got about an inch or so sticking out. I'm going to pull this straight out like that. That's going to set up with that cement, and right now I can spray it and it won't show any bubbles. Get a little better view here. I'll spray. I don't see any bubbles coming out. It would blow big old bubbles. Alright, now we've got to cut that excess plug off. Helps to have a razor knife for this. I just want to cut it off flush. It's all slimy for having the soap on it now. Alright, got that off, nice and flush there. As he rides on the highway, it's going to smooth it out some. Again, we'll spray it one more time, make sure it's good. No bubbles. Now let's get some air in the tire. I'm going to run 58 PSI in these tires, and right now I've got 26. So let's air it up. This should be it. just over 58. I'll let a little out there. 58 psi. We are good. Put this on there. We'll do one last check to see if any air is coming out. I don't see any bubbles. 58 psi, no bubbles. We are good to go. All right, everyone, that was the simple and easy way to plug a tire. It's going to wrap it up for this evening. Hope everyone has a blessed evening, and go RidgeLife.